Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to write radio button sign in Word. So this is very easy and simple method. So first you need to just click on insert. Now this last option symbol, so just click on it. Now click on this more symbols. So just click on it and one screen will be open. So just font select this one. Just click on this drop down and select it this, and character code is 1F518. Just type this character code and click on insert and close it. So this way we can insert radio button sign in Word. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.